Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about what is event management and try to explain this in the easiest way possible. So let's get right into it. Event management in simple terms is a process of planning, designing, coordinating and executing an event from scratch to end. Simple enough, right? Now, not to my surprise, I have found and surely will find people who will ask, okay, but what is an event? So, if there could be a simplest definition of what an event is, it should be described as when people assemble together for the purpose of celebration, education, marketing and selling, networking and building, and much more. So, to give you a background of event management, the first ever known event planner was Cleopatra, if history is to be believed. Then there was Madame Pompadour, who used to entertain the king by arranging parties with music, food, costume, and themes, and she was also known for hosting lavish parties. Event management existed even before the 19th century. In fact, every era had a people with skills of managing an event. But event management as a crucial skill started to surface in the 20th century, where people no longer relied upon limited resources and started needing a professional hand in carrying out complex events. Speaking of current scenario, have a look at this infographic. The global events industry size was valued at $1,100 billion in 2018 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10.3% to reach $2,330 billion by 2026. So definitely there is a scope if you are willing to pursue a career in events industry. Well, to start with, event industry is a creative field, and if that's what you fancy, surely you should give it a shot. And as we saw the growth chart of event industry, it clearly indicates the scope for newcomers in the industry. This industry have a lot to offer you. There are a variety of areas you can be good at or might want to learn, like wedding planning, corporate event planning, producing live shows, organizing high profile events, working on government projects, etc. You just need to find out what suits you best and get started with it. So, what does this industry demands from you? Night owl. Yes, you heard it right. What this means is event industry needs people who can work sleepless nights and no complaints. Because mostly the process of producing an event occurs at night. Because in the morning you need to kickstart the show, obviously. Learn to be on toes. Yes, you will need to learn to be on toes. Not literally, but yes, as you will be running here and there, looking for things, finding people, pushing your guest in and out, working before your guest arrives, and even after your guests have left. Get used to word hectic and stress. One of the main reasons why event industry is not everyone's cup of tea is that people cannot handle stress and hectic situations. And if you think you can handle this, kudos to you. As we just talked about different opportunities in this field, it must have given you a fair idea of whether to pursue this field as a career option or not. If you have decided that you want a career in this field, you can start with taking an event planning course, then interning at a good event planning firm, get some exposure of the industry, work in the industry for a few years, and choose your area of expertise. And that way you can build a career in event industry. Obviously there are some set of skills required to be an event planner, but we'll talk about that in next video. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and until next time.